Step into a reimagined masterpiece on Melbourne's prestigious Toorak riverfront. Originally designed in 1965 by renowned architect Guilford Bell, this spectacular residence boasts award-winning gardens by Edna Walling and has been meticulously transformed into one of Toorak's most admired properties. Imagine a discreet street presence that explodes into a breathtaking vision from the river. Lush greenery cascading over multiple levels, floor-to-ceiling glass throughout the lift-connected levels, and outdoor areas bathes the home in natural light year-round. Entertain in style in the palatial dining room, or unleash your inner chef in the stunning kitchen. A culinary haven featuring top-of-the-line appliances and a gas pebble fireplace. The dining area seamlessly extends onto a large, north-facing terrace with a barbecue and built-in seating, offering captivating Yarra River views. This exceptional residence caters to all your needs. A versatile children's rumpus room opens to the terrace, while a dedicated gym or sixth bedroom with a stylish ensuite provides additional space. A beautiful main bedroom suite with a mosaic-tiled ensuite, luxurious bath, dual dressing rooms, and a private terrace awaits you at the end of the day. Step outside onto the remarkable entertaining terrace, with built-in seating and a wet bar, overlooking the sparkling pool with the Yarra River as your backdrop. With approximately 1,736 square metres of land and 914 square metres of floor space, this is a property unlike any other. Owning a piece of Toorak history doesn't come along every day. Could this be your legacy?